Japanese instant skin whitening rice cream. First ingredient is rice. Rice is an excellent source for skin brightening and also fades dark spots and pigmentation. Please subscribe to my channel. 3 tablespoons of rice. Wash it properly. Please press the like button. Add half a glass of water. Leave it 24 hours or 4 to 6 hours. After 24 hours, blend the rice with water. Strain it. We will need rice water. Take a pan and add rice water. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix. Put on fire and cook on low flame. Keep stirring. Once it gets thickened, switch off the flame. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of thick rice. Let it cool down. After cooling, add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it very well. One tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. One teaspoon glycerine. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Add 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Mix it well to make a cream. How to use. Wash your face with a cleanser. Apply this cream all over your face, neck and hands and all darken part of your body. Massage for a few minutes for better results. Leave it for 2 hours at least. Wash your face and apply any moisturizer. You can use this cream 3 times in a week. Because of 0 preservatives, this cream can last, well, for 8 days in a fridge. Transfer into a clean container and put into a fridge. Thanks for watching.